On Thursday, March 12th, Safelink Medicine Hat will be hosting a public open house with several partner organizations, including Alberta Health and the Mustard Seed. Visitors will have a chance to tour the facility and ask questions.
Anyone is welcome to join us anytime. It's a come and go event. We're going to have our education team there and lots of interactive learning for anyone who's interested. We're going to be discussing universal precautions, naloxone. We're going to have nurses on staff to discuss like STI or STBBIs and testing, offer testing services. So it's a great opportunity to come, check out our space, get a tour, and learn a little bit more about our programs and services.
Safelink Medicine Hat works to provide health equity and reduce health disparities among marginalized populations, providing key programs that focus on safer substance use, safe sex essentials, naloxone kits, basic food and hygiene supplies. Social workers at Safelink provide emotional support, crisis intervention, system navigation, and education.
We're doing this because over the years, it's come to our ears that a lot of businesses have some questions or may not know exactly what it is that we do or what other services we're providing. A lot of people have heard about our needle debris program, but a lot of the folks have not heard about a lot of the other programs that we're offering and the partners that are also operating out of our drop-in.
The open house on March 12th is from 10 a.m. till noon and is made possible by a City of Medicine Hat Community Vibrancy Grant. Safelink is located at 419 North Railway Street, southeast across from the train station.